Hello everyone, this is Nisi from Google Japan. Have you ever wondered exactly how much AI functions can do? I've been playing around with them, and honestly, they can do almost anything. Wow.
Anything.
Anything. So you don't even need to memorize formulas anymore. Today I prepared some examples so you can experience the power of AI functions for yourself. Let's get started. Let's start with something simple and common. The if function. This is a formula used to extract data based on specific conditions. So let's try a simple prompt. If the status cell is down, make it yes. Otherwise, make it no. Okay, so equal AI. So double quotation. If the status cell is down, make it yes. Otherwise, make it no. Double quotation, comma. So you should select the cell E2, okay? So what will happen? Yes, you can copy this and paste it because this is a formula. So, yes, no, yes, no, 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 yes, no, yes, no, yes, 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 no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. How about Naruto?
Okay, there's only one. It seems the AI is not very sure. So in that case, for pending, should be no.
Okay, so I click generate and insert. Maybe no, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so even if appear an error, you just reread it,
Yes.
and the AI will recheck.
Ah, yes, exactly. This is if function and it's very useful. The second, count function. Next, let's try the count function. This counts the number of cells, not the sum of the numbers, okay? So let's ask it to count how many times January appears in the month column, okay? Okay, so equal AI, and count the number of January, and I select the area, for example, from A1 to A37. What will happen? 3.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Seems correct.
Yes, it's correct. So you can use count function with AI functions. Number 3, SUMIF function. Let's get a bit more complex and combine sum and if to some conditional calculations. So I ask calculate the total for sales 1 where the month is January. Okay, sales 1, month is January, right? Equal AI. Okay. Please calculate the total amount of sales 1 where the month is January. Okay. So I choose this area. Okay. A1 to B37. So what will happen? Wow.
That's incredible.
Yes. Incredible.
Yeah, actually it's reading 2 lines.
Yes.
Based on the prompt that
Yes.
you just sent it.
So as you know, this is AI function. So you can copy and paste it, right? So paste it. Wow. Oh, great. Oh,
Amazing.
amazing.
Nishi, we don't need to learn the formulas anymore.
Yes, exactly. You don't need to learn formulas anymore. Naruto, and just like that, the calculation done, but really cool is that the AI prompt is automatically converted into an actual SUMIF formula, like this. Wow. SUMIF demo data, January demo data, B2, B37.
I see. I thought the AI function would be directly in there, But actually it changed, converted
Yes.
to the correct formula.
Yes. This is the amazing point. The first, the lookup function.
Lookup is something that most of the beginners go through and they feel the most complicated.
Yes, most complicated, exactly. So now for the lookup function, which retrieves data that matches a condition. So let's see if it can replace XLOOKUP. It might be difficult. I say extract the shop name managed by James. I select the range from A1 to E31, okay? So call AI extract shop names for James, okay? So I choose all area, okay? What will happen? Wow.
That's interesting.
Wow.
How is the formula inside?
Okay. This is the AI formula.
Okay.
Maybe if we change Robert, maybe generates more shows. Wow, more shows, Robot. Great functions. So now to make it dynamic, it works with the name changes. So I'll tell it extract the shop data associated with the manager name in the cell to the left. Okay, cell to the left. This might be difficult. Okay, so equal AI. Okay, extract the shop data associated with the manager name in the cell to the left. Okay, and choose all area. This graph. Choose all area, okay? So what will happen? So James. Oh, too bad. It says, please provide the manager name you derive the shop data for. So it seems it can't reference multiple cells dynamically yet. It would have been great if the data updated automatically like a regular formula.
Yes, but that's quite enough. It's
Yes.
like a lot forward already.
Yes, exactly. Perhaps the last one is bonus, conditional formatting. So one last bonus, besides AI functions, you can do so much more using the side panel now. So let's try highlight rows where average daily customers are 80 or more in blue and 100 or more in yellow, okay? So I'll ask Gemini, highlight the rows in blue where average daily customer is 80 or more, and in yellow where it's 100 or more, okay? So I'll ask Gemini. Come on.
Come on, Gemini.
Customers are less than yellow highlight, 100 more. Okay. So nice, that's fantastic. Each worked perfectly. So how was that? AI functions are still brand new, but they can already be applied to so many different formulas. Plus, the side panel is incredibly accurate. The day when you can master spreadsheets without any formula knowledge is coming soon. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.